And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. We're gonna make a breakfast. We're gonna make banana pancakes.
And we're gonna put the banana in the pancake and on the pancake. We'll show you how.
Now, this has been powdered. This is our freeze-dried bananas, powdered. So we're gonna just add it in our pancake mix.
And all we did was throw this into a blender. Going good?
Yep.
Or do you want more?
No, this is plenty, thank you.
Okay.
All right. And then I'm just going to add some water. Actually, can you pour that, Kathy, while I mix?
You can smell that banana.
Yeah. All right, that's probably plenty.
Do you want a little bit more? Or are you good?
Actually, yeah,
I
please.
thought there's that mix. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, that looks awesome.
Yeah, that looks great. So, just gonna mix that up. And then I'm going to go over to my stovetop and cook the pancake.
And as the pancakes are baking, I'm just going to mix our banana sauce. So I took the leftover powder. I'm just gonna add some water to that and stir it up to the consistency that you want. Okay, now we're going to put the pancakes together.
All right.
We'll put a pancake layer down. We'll take one layer of our banana. Okay. And then we had made this in a previous video. This is our blackberry jam. So we're gonna have a layer of that. Okay. And then we're gonna top a little bit of both on here.
Just drizzle them, hey?
Well, as much as that will drizzle.
Can I help?
Yes. Go
That's
ahead.
a letter H.
It is schmear.
All right. So this is our breakfast. This is our banana pancake breakfast. The recipe will be down below if you'd like. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the notification bell to be informed when we post a new video.
And remember to give us a thumbs up if you like it.
And remember,
you
can do this too.